So I'm going to use a amp simulation, in this case Guitar Rig 6 from Native Instruments, for enhancing this bass line. It is the main line.
Please be go on, hold me tight, close, close, closer to your kissable. Get.
It's not as much as it could be or should be, as much as it should sound in this space. I have added this second, or duplicated the first channel, and I have now the second channel that is being processed a little bit. As you can see, I don't want the bass. I have used a preamp and I have added Guitar Rig. Leave me alone. Okay, so this is actually my first time loading Guitar Rig, this specific amp simulation, and it shouldn't be hard, right? So what do I need here? I need something. I need distortion, okay? So let's go for amplifiers. Great, out of the box. Lovely. I don't want that reverb to... Let's see. It's not just reverb, it's cabinet and... It's nice. There is a mix between room quality and the cabinet. We just changed and saved the world. So there is distortion too. Okay. Nope, we don't want bass. Exactly the tone I am seeking. No. Cabinets. I have one of these. So let's just... Oh. Lovely. I don't know how many musical rules I just broke, but I'm happy with the result, and I'm trying to prevent any phase problems, believe me. So let's check for the phase problem. It's alright, but we always can invert phase and check if there is a problem. If volume dips or you hear something lost on the bass frequencies, that's when you know that you have a problem and you should invert this phase to normal, or from normal to inverted. So the first one is alright. Yeah, the weird thing happens when I invert it. And I wanted this stereo, not mono. Is there anything to do that, please? Oh, I think I found it. yes. There was something like this on Softtube Amp Room. I have used Softtube Amp Room maybe more than other Softtube plugins. Okay, so this is my amped second bass support line, whatever.
Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze me, go on, hold me tight. Close, close, closer to your kissable. Got you in my heart's peripheral. Right there, almost got you. In my heart's peripheral. Right there, almost got you. Hey, who?
It's nice. It's nice.
Close, close, close. Kissable. Got you in.
It could take benefit of more distortion or scream sound.
Close, close, closer to your kissable. Got you in my heart's peripheral. Right there, almost got you. In my heart's peripheral. Right there, almost got you. Hey, who? Close, close, close. In my heart's peripheral. Right there, almost got you. In my heart's peripheral. Right there,
It's great. It has a place on the sound field and it occupies it, and it has a great effect, stereo vibe, supporting bass, playing alongside the bass. I just love it. Guitar Rig 6, this is the free version? Or is it? I think it is the free version. It's right, it comes with my equipment, with MIDI controller and this stuff. But I think it is accessible for everyone. Guitar Rig, a version of Guitar Rig is free from native access. You can have access to it. So what is the advantages of this trouble? When we have a space like this, a mix like a song like this and a mix like this is a modern music. This is a modern song. The bass on the only bass side couldn't be heard in the song and the excitement will drop. So when we add another line to be free to add distortion, saturation, to be free to add whatever we want, because on the main line we couldn't do these things that we did in the second line or second track. So we add another track, duplicate the first one and cut the bass to only focus on the higher frequencies and load the effects. And that's it. We have a different bass with higher frequency, more higher frequency, brightness and presence that helps our bass to shine in modern music. This specific bass really needed this, but maybe another bass wouldn't need much excessive process for adding brightness and harmonics. There is another technique that some audio engineers use. They cut higher frequencies on this channel, the first channel, the bass channel, and they cut lower frequencies on the second channel, that is harmonics or high boost or high distortion, whatever you name it, on the duplicated one. So the bass channel only has the lower frequencies, the second channel only has the higher frequencies. In this case, there is no higher frequencies. This bass is just bass, is a synthesized bass. So I added the higher frequencies with distortion, with some manipulations. In normal cases, you could do it by just boosting or soft saturation or doing just clean amp. But in this case, I needed to do these things. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more.